Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to use Boolean search on Indeed. Using Boolean search techniques can help you refine your job search results, making it easier to find roles that closely match your criteria. So let's get started on how to use Boolean search on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. After you're logged in, you will see the main interface. Now, to perform a Boolean search on Indeed, it's important to understand the basics of Boolean operators: and, or, and not. As a recruiter, knowing how to use Boolean operators can help you quickly find a large number of relevant results. Here's how it works. At the top of the screen, you will see the search bar. Tap on it. Let's say you're looking for a candidate with experience in both graphic design and social media. You would type graphic design in quotation marks and then use and operators and then type social media in quotes as well. What this does is filter the results to only show candidates with experience in both graphic designer and social media. If you want candidates with experience in either one skill or the other, you would use the or operator instead of and. This will show results with at least one of the specified skills. So, understanding Boolean operators is essential to making this search work effectively. Once you have entered your search terms with the Boolean operators, you can tap on the search button to see the results. And that's how you can use Boolean search on Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.